How to log in into NatWest Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Then head over to natwest.com. On this web page, you first want to log into your account. For that, tap on the login option at the top left corner of your screen. Now, the step 1 of login process is to choose how you would like to log in. You can use your customer number or your card number. If you select your customer number, then go ahead and enter that on this box. This is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. In case you have forgotten your login details, tap on the option of Forgotten Your Login Details. Then from here you will be able to retrieve your information. If you choose to use your card number, select card number instead. Then go ahead and enter your card number on this box. If you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Only do this if you're using a personal computer or device. Once you have entered these details, tap on the option of Continue. If you are not an online user, tap on the option of Sign Up in order to create a new account. Step 2 of your login process is to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you will have the option to reset your password as well. Once you have entered all the details, you will be logged into your account. From there, navigate to the section of credit card. There, you will find your credit card dashboard. You will also be able to manage your credit card account from there. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.